a big snapper in idea. You see me? I'll get that running ready for the family still. I'm just clean the mackerel and just clean the snook look while, and then now I'm dip on this one. So I get it sorted out and put it together for us and make a wicked dinner cook up later upon the snapper. Yeah, you see it, peoples? So stay tuned for the video here outside. We'll get this head off this thing, guys, and we'll get some steaks. So I gotta find me a little area here where I can cut through the bone, get behind this jaw and leave the head. There, boy. Yeah, guys, so harvest this fish up into some steaks. I'm trying to get in between here, guys. So there's a joint right here that we try to cut through. Try to give it some one of them steaks. Out of this already here. Yeah, guys, nice snapper steaks out of this, guys. Shit. Fuck the knife back up. Oh man. Cutting through bone, dogs. all knife to it to bomb buckle. That's a fucking buckle. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here, guys, we got our fish here that I was cleaning up earlier, and what I'm doing is, guys, is getting this seasoned up a bit, guys, and get these ready to be fried up. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get this stuff seasoned up and get the stuff on the grill and sauteed. Alright, guys, so Jamaican Shore Fishing. Yeah, man, we had this on fry fish today for lunch, guys, for me and Sophia and her mom and my mom, and that's what's up, guys. Alright, so this one I'll make sure everything is equally done on each sides. I know we're gonna make a mess, but we'll clean that up in a second, guys. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. I'm gonna get this frying pan ready. We are out here. Here, guys, here goes the snapper that I was cutting up earlier, guys. I got them all seasoned up and everything. I got the frying pan over here heating up with oil, guys. I'm gonna drop them in. Stay tuned, guys, for the next clip. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. So now, got a piece of pepper and a piece of garlic in there, frying, guys. When that starts floating, we know so the oil well hot enough. So we don't know. Stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. This is what's up. This is what it looks like, guys. We got our fish in our frying pan. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Preparation of our big red snapper. Alright, guys, this is what's up outside. Finishing bit of it. I got escabeche ready. We're gonna escabeche these bad boys. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. Carrot to go in the escabeche, guys. I totally forgot about that. We're gonna get that over in here with the vinegar and the pepper and the onions. Alright, guys, stay tuned. A couple more pieces still frying, guys. Still at it outside. Got the escabeche on here, and that's about it, guys. Take care, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are. You see how hot that is? It's steaming that glass up, guys. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm gonna go run and go grab Laurie real quick and come back and finish this up, guys. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Love you guys. Thumbs up, like, share, watch the ad, guys, and big up yourselves. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. This is the finishing touch. Some home fried style potatoes. My escabeche snapper, guys. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Outside.